Ináč mi to zabere duša.
Hej? To má za ako mikrofón, daj mi. Dobrý deň, vyjadrite sa pre televíziu Teatry, jaký vyjebaný vtipkuje. Do piče aj s televíziou! Ničí metru, kokot.
Pozor, Kaďa.
Remember when I caught your eye? You gave me rainbows and butterflies. We did enjoy a happiness. When our love was over, I was such a mess. I smiled at you and you smiled back. That's when I knew there's no turning back. You said you loved me and I did too. And although it's over, I still love you. You're in my mind, you're in my heart. I wish I knew right from the start of my first sight. You break my heart, a heartbreaker right from the start. I tried to fight it, I tried so hard, and every day I prayed to God that you and me were meant to be. But you had another, you had a lover, and now it's gone. I don't know why. I feel like...
No čo myslíš? Pozri sa. Odzri sa.
Ukáž fakera, ne?
To ma asi nebude moc vidno, čo?
Čo takú to robia?
Už sa majú.
Nevedel.